Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best golf stand bags. After hours of researching, we have selected the best golf stand bags and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1, TITLEIST Players 4 Plus STADRY Stand Bag. It is a high-quality, fashionable, and adaptable bag. It has a tour-inspired, low-profile top cuff, 4 full-length dividers, and a new premium double strap for improved carrying comfort and customization. The redesigned strap is significantly more comfortable and self-balancing, so there is no possibility of your clubs sliding out while you walk. The STADRY waterproof construction and the high-quality, lightweight aluminum legs make for a bag that is functional in any environment. In addition, the bag has 8 compartments, 3 more than last year, including an inflatable full-length garment pocket that we found to be more than adequate in size. Other pockets include one built specifically for t-shirts, a revised, larger beverage pocket, and a magnetic closure accessory pocket for easy access. The additional shoulder strap makes this bag even more pleasant to carry. It is an excellent all-arounder. Arguments to buy: lightweight at under 2 kg. Additional pockets to facilitate storage. Why you should avoid it: legs do not retract completely when being carried. Number 2, SRIXON Z Stand Bag. This striking bag is simple to lift into and out of your car thanks to its 4-way top and 3 grab handles. It contains 5 well-placed compartments, including one for an insulated cooler and another for a ball for more customization. The comfort suspension system on the shoulder straps makes carrying comfortable. Although a 2.9-inch, it is a little on the heavier side for full-time carriers. Purpose of buying: stylish style. Golfers who alternate using a trolley and carrying are best served by its size and space. Conditions to avoid: some people's weight will be a worry. Number 3, COBRA Ultralight Stand Bag. The COBRA Ultralight Stand Bag has a lot of packing space, which is great if you need to bring a lot of equipment with you. 8 pockets let you organize and segregate your gear, and the giant apparel pocket is roomy enough to hold full waterproofs plus an additional layer if necessary. The 5-way top and full-length dividers provide excellent protection for clubs, and the cleverly crafted top grab handle makes it simple to swing in and out of a car boot. When carrying the stand, the quick-release shoulder strap and cool flow hip pad provide comfort, and the EasyFlex base provides exceptional stability on uneven ground when the stand is in use. Just over 2 in weight, it is relatively light and has 6 eye-catching color options that make it look cool. Overall, it fulfills several requirements. Purpose for buying: stable on a sloping surface, perfect for full-time employees. Reasons to stay away: not entirely watertight. Number 4, MIZUNO BRD3 Stand Bag. The BRD3 stand bag is an excellent alternative for any ardent golfer due to its versatility in balancing features with a comfortable and effortless ride. The bag itself is an excellent option for those who do not wish to spend a fortune on a new golf bag. It contains 8 pockets and compartments that provide ample room and storage for players' clubs and gear. While the bag itself is not completely waterproof, it comes with a watertight valuables pouch to protect your most valuable possessions. Carrying the bag is also a delight, as it is one of the lightest golf bags available at just 2 kilograms. Its well-padded strap cushions your shoulders and distributes the bag's weight across your back. While the bag's lack of waterproofing may be a minor issue for certain golfers, it does not detract from the bag's functionality and practicality on the course. Motives to buy: extremely stylish, effective storage and partitioning, lightweight and sturdy. Comes in 6 color choices. Why you should avoid: not completely watertight. During operation, legs could stretch further. Number 5, DATREK 2022 Carry Light Stand Bag. The DATREK 2022 Carry Light Stand Bag, which weighs only 3.9 pounds and has strategically placed hip padding and a comfortable strap system that is simple to adjust, is a fantastic choice for walkers. Walkers may pick up and put down the bag during play with little effort thanks to the bag stand mechanism, and the Carry Light's top handle is ergonomically built to make it simple to use. 5 pockets are included with the Carry Light Stand Bag, one of which is fleece-lined for valuables. The pockets are all pretty spacious, providing the bag plenty of storage space. The design also has a full-length closed pocket, and the 4-way top of the bag has full-length dividers. With a suggested retail price of just under $200, It's also one of the finest deals in the stand bag category, and golfers may pick from 6 different colors. Purpose of buying: excellent capacity for storing, efficient, lightweight construction, conditions to avoid, insufficient waterproofing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.